We are watching a dash chart. We are going to watch overview of cryptocurrencies right here, and right now I would like to show you where cryptocurrencies gonna move. Right. So this is the plus 500 platform, and they're providing it. Sorry for the long. First we will see the Bitcoin. Right. Bitcoin is the most favorite of all, and here is a chart of Bitcoin. So it is a daily chart, of course, and guys, I would like to tell you that Bitcoin is slipping from the levels of 2885. I can see here. This is the levels, and 2885. It had nailed the highest, right? So since that, it had moved to the following, and right now we are on the levels of. I would like to show you the holds and folds. Right? So this is right now I'm drawing the support and resistances. So next target we can see in Bitcoin is this one. So this is the possible target of Bitcoin, which is just targeting 1600. Bitcoin possible targets, and of course we see that it is most probably because it had broken the support here, and after breaking the support here it's moving nowhere. Right? So if in case it tried to pull back and on upside, then still it is the hardest resistance now. The resistance level, I would like to show you that 2200, the hardest resistance for the Bitcoin to go upside, which it had hit. I will plot some days right now, and here we see this one, 1, 2, 3, last 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Right. This is a peanut pattern. We all know it. Consider, sorry, and this is the fold label where Bitcoin should probably could go upside, and that's it. So that's what I wanted to tell you about the Bitcoin. So let's move on the next. Right. So secondly, we will see this one, Ethereum. We will see. Right. What is Ethereum and what is Ethereum is doing? So this is again the time chart is loaded here, and we will again draw some lines. Right. Here it is Ethereum chart, and we again on a daily. We again on a daily chart on the Ethereum. So here we will see it is holding right now at a 182 38. It is floating, of course. I will plot now some levels from the Ethereum on the daily chart, and we will see where it is possible to bounce off Ethereum if USD permits it, right? So this is of course chart, and here it is. This is the demand of Ethereum. This is the supply of Ethereum, and these are the waves Ethereum is falling here. I will draw it. It is falling. So another demand. This one, right? Another demand, and this one. So after reaching the Ethereum here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once Ethereum reached on this target, like 115150, max, it would come to the 10. This is the range of Ethereum point. In case Ethereum breaks down below the support, then another demand we could see here, that is Ethereum 50, and of course it will be going to next for the rise. This is all about the Ethereum. So next we are just moving to another chart, and that is Ripple. Ripple is another cryptocurrency, and the chart is getting plotted. We are again on the daily chart. We are observing the daily auspiciously. Here I have applied the bottom of the price and suppose some out is opening the piece to the downside. Ethereum already on the daily support, hovering it and trying to break it because Ethereum is on support. I think Ethereum will not going to die, of course. This is chart again for Ethereum, and we will draw some demand levels. This is demand level for Ethereum. Ethereum is just started away from here, and it is just trying to cross upside. Like it will go on upside, but we will see the hardest it has break is that this one level. This level is truly important. Now it is possible for Ethereum to get range bound in this atmosphere, and of course if this range breaks upside, or if this range breaks downside, the Ethereum will next go to the 0.0500 levels, as the cryptos are hovering at downtrends every time. So this is Ethereum will trying to go, but in case it holds this demand level, and if Ethereum tries to go upside, the next target for the upside will be 0.3000. That means almost you deployed your income and almost you deploy your returns here, but do remember they would risk a lot, and the cryptos too, because cryptos are cryptos. I have respect personally. I have no other voice on the Ethereum, right? So here we did something on the Ethereum. Now we will move to the another chart, and that is Ripple we have seen just, and Bitcoin we are watching. Right. So this is the Bitcoin, and on the Bitcoin chart is getting loaded till we do some calculations on Bitcoin. So this is the daily chart again for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is another famous one, and we will see the possible demand levels for Bitcoins heading at. So we will draw supply levels first here, and this is another supply level from which it is flooding, and now the time for longer demand levels. So the first demand it is possible to hold is here. It is level of 35, right? It could possible that 35 levels in the Bitcoin it could hold, but in case it slips down further, because it is almost phase 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is Bitcoin 53, that is correction possible to complete this zone. But in case if it not sustains or just trying to die, these are the levels I'm drawing right now. It is not a tough job, but definitely we have to look at something, right? So these are the levels of demands from where we could see the bounces always like reversal points and all. So this is possible reversal point. Here we have it on short. I'm just missing something here. Here we go. This one is another support for Bitcoin, that is 34. I'm repeating, we are on daily chart, and that's it. So now let's see with the help of arrows, right? So this is 50 is targeting here in the Bitcoin. and that zone is targeting to the 34 in case it is flips, and this are the 25 is the next, and 15 as another next levels. But it is possible to rebound on retrace and go into 45 levels here. So this is level where Bitcoin and possible retraces are here, right? So we have seen the Bitcoin too. Now we will see some more. It is a quick view, definitely. It is self analysis should be on the cards for Bitcoins, right? So here we have another. This is a dash. We are on a dash chart, of course, in a downtrend, and on a dash chart itself. You will see the chart is low. We are again on a daily chart, and after having a daily chart here, it is just almost breaking out these zones. These are the zones, like this zone is breaking up here. Another, this is a strong support I can find, and I will go to draw this one. So again, we are going to draw the next demand level for the dash, right? Dash is currently trading at 145.39, and this is signal live in correction, right? So here I will draw this A, B, C as a correction, but if extended downtrend, the dash could possibly go to the 90 levels because it is another. Of course, in case it formed a peanut pattern and not a state here, or it tried to break this resistance, it is possible dash to fly upside again. Yes, the value could continue upside. In this case, 170 should be break, but if break 130, then we have a straight targets of 100, because bears are always crazy to start, and bulls will also convert themselves to bears, and the price will go downward. So this is another thing, but right now we are just watching the demand supply levels, and also cryptocurrencies, definitely. So I'm evolving the chart, and we are moving. So I will draw another demand level for Bitcoin. This is, I have one already, and we have a 2. It is going downside, right? And again 1, 2, 3. And this is another. If it not hold this level, I'm repeating, it could hold this level 130, but as we are market is unpredicted, we have to watch demand supply levels, we have to analyze what other traders could do. Okay, we should go with this. So this is another thing again. So this is a hard resistance, which here it is also. If we see this level, that is the level of 144.39 is a perfect buy right now for the dash to go and refresh. So we could put this for buy loss. I could place it, but we need a reversal indication again, and then we will decide if it is buy or not. As daily candle is very bear, it is a bear of 10 points here daily candle is, and it is a third without shadow too, but on the same time it is on the demand. This is the demand level for the dash, and dash, and that's it. So next we should move to the another, that is NEM cryptocurrencies. Currently plus 500 is offering 6 kinds of cryptos, and it is the most favorite platform of mine to get for the options. This is of course a demo account, and that's why I'm explaining it fully frankly. So again, this is now NEM chart of a daily, and we will see the demand supply levels. RSI is supporting the course, and here we will draw some levels. right? So this one is a hold, 0.1100 is a hold, and we should look at the reversal here. Means anyone should not trade much time if this zone is break, right? This is a strong hold, but in case it is break, then what we should do is we should sell it again. I will show you that it is possible to go again if that level broke, that is 0.1100. If it broke, it has chances to go down, and we should wait through, right? This is Forex Lane. You're listening to Forex Lane right now. I am an independent trader, but as a hobby, I'm doing it to explain the charts on the YouTube, right? So this is another level, 0.0400. We can found NEM at this level. I will buy it abundant level. Never think to read, but I will definitely going to long this one, because if you see the waves, right, 1 2 3 4 5, that is this one completely A, 1 2 3 4, and this one B, and this is the last wave which is possible target for the NEM, right? From here we could get a correction, means the impulse wave could start here, and that's what it could go upside, right? So this is the thing, we have to watch it, we have to invest it, we have to calculate our risk definitely, and that's what all about the NEM chart. But right now we're concluding that every cryptocurrencies on the day of 16th of July, everything is getting corrected. I have shown you the possible buy levels or sell levels, and that's why it is. So below, this is my email ID, right? And you could contact me on this email ID too, because in case for doubts and all, I would like to communicate with the traders, and that's why I have said this email ID open to all, right? This is my personal email ID too, but I'm doing it as a common, right? Because I know such a personal things I have. We are concluding with this, and if you like this video, if you want to motivate me in the future to do such videos, then you could simply subscribe, and you also could do likes to my tweeters. I want some publicity, definitely maximum. I want your feedbacks, I want to improve myself too, and that's it. So you were listening to Deepak Said, the channel Forex Lane. We always many times on the live markets. Right now it is Sunday here, but on the live markets we go to the live sessions, and we publish live like our trading room, and we trade live too on the YouTube. So in that case, you could subscribe and press the alert to get when I will be online. You will get to know about it definitely. So thanks for listening, and